This is Dan Ferrisi, Editor-in-Chief with Commercial Integrator. So happy to be joined today by Andy Herron of WyreStorm. Thanks so much, Andy, for taking some time to chat with me here at the HDBaseT booth.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.
So let's talk about something I think that's on the tip of the tongues of a lot of people in the industry today, and that's unified communications. It seems like you can't throw a stone without people talking about UC&C. Obviously, WyreStorm is a leader in the UC category. Can you talk a little bit not only about Apollo, I certainly want to get into Apollo, but also in general your UC offerings, particularly as it relates to HDBaseT technology?
Yeah, absolutely. So Apollo is our unified communication range of products. We have 4 different versions of Apollo, depending on what kind of application you're doing within unified communication, whether it's a small boardroom up to large corporate spaces. With Apollo, particularly with HDBaseT, obviously there's a natural integration that we should have, and we do have. So with our Apollo 210, we have integrated an HDBaseT output for extension of audio, video, and data. So we can get from our presentation product, our Apollo product, extend that over HDBaseT to a receiver and communicate with all of our UC accessories.
So let's talk about some of those UC accessories, because I think I also want to put the spotlight on them. What might you want to tell our audience about in terms of UC accessories, again, particularly those that relate to the HDBaseT technology on which WyreStorm depends?
Yeah, I mean, what we try to do at WyreStorm is not just create one solution. We want to make sure that we can provide the entire solution. So not only do we have the Apollo solution, which is integrating a presentation switcher with a speakerphone and a camera, but obviously there's other things that are involved with that, USB extension, cameras, and anything else that you need, dongles and things like that. So we try to just have all of the components that you need to have in order to create a full solution. WyreStorm's trying to be the one-stop shop where you can get all your UC components in one place.
Now, Commercial Integrator, like a lot of other of the media covering the AV industry, think about it in terms, in a lot of cases, of vertical markets, areas of growth, opportunities to deploy some of these solutions in the real world. What are the verticals that you're finding the most success in, that you have the most focus on, particularly as it comes to these UC technologies you've told me about?
Yeah, I mean, education and corporate are the big ones. The corporate is obviously the huddle spaces up to the larger boardrooms and things like that. But in education, we're talking about higher education in training rooms and lecture halls, and that's really where we've been seeing a lot of adoption of Apollo and the UC accessories that we have.
How have you felt about InfoComm 2022 so far? I know we're only still on the first day. There's still 2 more days to go, but are you feeling a good positive vibe? Are you having a lot of people come to the WyreStorm booth, inquire about the Apollo range, et cetera?
Yeah. This year has been great so far. Like you said, it's only the first day, but we've got a ton of traction for Apollo. But in general, with all of our products, our HDBaseT Matrix solutions, our HDBaseT presentation switchers, it's been very well received, and everything has been great. A lot of busy traffic and really good conversations.
Really appreciate you taking some time to chat with me, Andy, during a very, very busy show. Thank you for the time.
Absolutely. Thank you.
So happy to have been joined by Andy Herron of WyreStorm. My name is Dan Ferrisi, Editor-in-Chief with Commercial Integrator, here at the HDBaseT booth at InfoComm 2022. We'll see you soon.